Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Study Time. Let's start another video about John Milton's work, the most important work, The Paradise Lost. It is the most important work. If you don't know about The Paradise Lost by John Milton, then you don't know about another work of John Milton. The poetry, an epic in the model of Homer and Virgil, written in unrhymed iambic pentameter. Unrhymed iambic pentameter, I gave you the term in previous lecture of literary term. Unrhymed iambic meter means no rhyming scheme or no meter like as a blank verse. Blind so composition was oral. Does this show? T.S. Eliot says we need to read twice, once for sound and once for meaning. Based on long, complex sentence structure and an individual attitude to language, Latin forms are common here. Must subordination create a lack of clarity at times? Occasional omission of modal verbs in the past tenses. Little punctuation is used in Paradise Lost poem. Milton intended it to assist when reading aloud, not to provide clarity of meaning. The whole poem presents an explanation for the fall of man. Book 1 and Book 2 explore the Satan's motivation, revenge for humiliation and removal from heaven. Books 4 to 8 explore Adam and Eve in Eden and prepare for books 9 and 10, which show the fall, the temptation of Eve, the eating of the forbidden fruits, and the subsequent fall of Adam. In 10, the pair beg for mercy and are allowed to continue on earth, but the sin has introduced the death into the world. Paradise Lost was very popular in 18th century. Over 100 editions of the poems were published. More than twice number of editions for Shakespeare's play. It has 12 books in this handout. Book 1, line 1270. Is analyzed closely. A summary of Book 2 to 12 is given in section 4 of this handout. Seven major stylistic and thematic devices of most great epics, L'Iliad, Odyssey, Aeneid, and Dante's Divine Comedy, are used, did Milton. About Paradise Lost structure, the following practice Homer and Virgil. Milton begin the statement of his theme, line 1 to 5, the fall of humanity through Adam, who is at once first father and first sinner of humanity, of man's first disobedience and the fruit of that forbidden tree, whose mortal taste brought death into world. 1 to 3 line. Paradise Lost, Book 1 is divided into 6 sections and comprises into 798 lines. First section, from 1 to 26 lines, contains the invocation and the purpose of writing. Second section, 27 to 83 lines, gives a bird's-eye view of consequences of the disobedience and revolt and expulsion of Satan from paradise. Third section, from 89 to 282, contains the speeches between Satan and Beelzebub. Fourth section, from 283 to 621, give the comprehensive detail of demons or accompanying the Satan. A companion means that mean a followers of Saturn. Fifth section from 622 to 669 contains a speeches of Saturn to demons. Sixth section from 670 to 798 give an overview of the concentration of foreign dominions. These six sessions to clarify the Paradise Lost lines poem. And another most important in this poem are themes. Themes describe to justify the ways of God to men, obedience to God, hierarchical nature of the universe. Fall of the partially means fall of the half fortunate event, rejections of God's law, mortality, restoration of power, regaining paradise. Also, the major character Satan. Satan, the name is Lucifer. Adam, first human created by God from the dust of the earth. Eve, the first woman created by God from Adam's rib, a companion for him. God, who is the merciful, a creator, omnipresent, omnipotent of the universe. Jesus Christ, Son, according to in this Paradise Lost. Thanks to watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. It will help you to give more knowledge about this video, and also stay connected with my video with my channel.